Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to see 10 lines on my neighbor. My neighbor's name is Raj. He lives next door in a house with a big garden. Raj is very friendly and always smiles when we meet. He has a pet dog named Max who is very playful. We often play together in the evening after school. Raj helps me with my homework when I need it. He loves reading books and always shares interesting stories with me. We sometimes go for walks in the neighborhood park. Raj is very kind and always ready to help others. I am lucky to have Raj as my neighbor and friend. Thanks for watching. Please share, like and subscribe my channel.